Hello there folks, welcome back to the Chap's Guide. My name is Ash and I am your host on this journey through men's style, self-development and personal grooming. Now I'm joined today by a pair of my beautiful boots. This is a pair of Loake Burford. I would describe them as a derby style dress brogue boot. I've had these in my collection for 7 years. In fact, I bought these boots from eBay for £90 7 years ago, and they've had a fairly solid amount of wear over that period of time. I own several pairs of boots. In fact, I own another pair very much like this but in a different colour, and boots are my preferred footwear from around about September to April every year. So I spend a lot of time wearing boots, and over the last 7 years I've spent rather a lot of time wearing these beautiful Loake Burford boots, which are of course hand constructed in Northampton in England. However, when I pulled them out of their winter storage, I can't have checked them before I put them away last year, because I noticed I now have a hole in the centre of the sole of my right boot. So there we go. These beautiful boots have had their life. Or have they? Because of course one of the advantages of buying higher quality, particularly British Northampton made boots, and those viewers who are regular viewers will know that boots and shoes made in Northampton are likely the best in the world, because it is the epicenter of the Goodyear welted shoe manufacturing industry. And Loake, of course, been around since 1880. It is still in family ownership and it is still family run. I think they're on the 5th or 6th generation of the Loakes now. And these boots can be sent back to the factory. The factory has a full refurbishment program, and that's exactly what I'm going to do with these boots. Now, I bought these boots for £90 from eBay 7 years ago. As I say, they've had a tough life. The factory refurbishment price is £125, and I'll tell you exactly what that entails in a moment. Then I'm going to send these off. We'll have a little break in the video, and then they're going to come back allegedly 4 weeks later, according to the factory, and they will have been refurbished with a new sole. So, is it worth it though? £125 to have a factory refurbishment when I only paid £90 on eBay second hand? Well, I would say yes, it is worth it, because these boots are no longer available in the Loake catalogue. They are now not manufactured at the present time, but when they did drop off the catalogue around about last year, they were £300. So it's a £300 boot. I managed to pick it up rather cheaply from somebody who was selling them on, hardly worn if at all. I've had great value out of them. But over the time, one builds a relationship with one's footwear. Of course, they've taken on the patina of the years of me polishing them, adding product to them, cream and polish and wax and all that sort of thing. And I love the way they look. They have also, the uppers, have taken the shape of my foot. Where my foot bends and flexes, now you'll see the creases in the leather. And I love that. And I also love the fact that this calf leather can go on many, many years longer with me. So for me, paying £125 to send these back to the factory is something which I'm prepared to do, because I know for that price I'm going to get a boot which is likely going to last me an equal amount of time. But actually, I think it's going to last me longer this time, because one of the advantages of having a good quality boot is, you will note, these boots have a leather sole. Now I've got another pair almost identical to this in a burgundy colour, but that has a day-night or rubber sole. And I've had them exactly the same amount of time, and they have fared much better. And in fact, for my UK climate, which can often be damp and cold, I prefer a rubber sole. And I only actually wore these boots on winter days when it was dry, when I knew that the leather wouldn't be allow water to ingress and get through to my foot. So I've decided, instead of having a replacement leather sole, I would like to have a replacement rubber sole. So actually, to make sure this was possible, I wrote to the Loake customer service line email yesterday, not 50 minutes after I sent my initial request, asking, is it possible to have a day-night sole replacement instead of a leather sole? They wrote straight back to me and said, yes it is, Just make sure it's clearly annotated on the form that you have to fill in. So there we go. So when you consider the options for when your shoe or boot becomes sort of worn as mine is, you've kind of got three large options really, haven't you? You've got disposal, all right? You might say to yourself, I'm not prepared to spend £125 to have a full factory refurbishment. I'm going to chuck them away and start again with a fresh pair of boots. The other option is to have the boot or shoe repaired locally. So there are, of course, local cobblers. There are specialist cobblers around the country or wherever you live, high street cobblers in some cases, shoe menders, who are able to undertake a Goodyear welted repair. Now, I've never had something like that done locally, but I reckon it's going to cost round about the same price. And I don't know if the output, the quality, the outcome is going to be what I can expect from Loake. Or that final option is to send it back to the factory for a full factory refurbishment. It might cost a little bit more, but what I get back is going to be remarkable. Now, I've done this before with other brands. This is my first time using Loake refurbishment service. And one thing I do know, that by sending it back to the factory, one thing is guaranteed. The people who made this boot are going to be the ones who refurbish it. I know what they're going to do because I've watched all of the literature and the videos which Loake puts out to reassure us that it's worthwhile using the refurbishment program. They're going to take this boot and they're going to put it on the last which was made or which was used to make the boot. It's entirely possible that the people who made these boots in the first place will be the ones who will be refurbishing it. So they are experts who have likely put together thousands and thousands of boots just like this. They know exactly what they're doing. They're not a high street cobbler who might undertake a repair like this once or twice a week. They are people who are making this boot every single day in big numbers. They're going to strip the boot right down to the insole. They're going to take away the sole, the cork bedding, the heel. They're even going to take away the original welting. And they are going to rebuild all that from scratch. New welt, they're going to replace the cork bed, and they're going to put that day-night or rubber sole that I've asked for. They're going to replace the heel stack with a brand new heel stack. They're going to finish it all. And don't forget, much of this refurbishment work is done by people, particularly placing on the sole, things like that, the stitching, the welting. It's done by eye. It's done on machinery which has been used to do that for decades and decades and decades. You cannot get the same finish anywhere else outside of the factory. So that's all going to be done. They're going to replace the sock on the inside. The only thing which will remain is really that wonderful leather on the outside that I've come to love, and the patina. They're even going to replace the laces, and they're going to put the boot back in a new box and send it out to me. The shipping is included in the price. So they sent me a prepaid shipping form. I stick it on the box, take it to the post office. It appears there at Loake. They'll sort it out. It'll come back to me. Shipping is included in the £125 refurbishment. And what I end up at the end, I am told, and it will hopefully be the case, after around about 4 weeks, is going to be a shoe or boot which looks like new, as it was originally, and it's ready to go again for a whole new life with me as the owner and the wearer of these beautiful Burford boots, which, don't forget, I couldn't buy again because they're no longer being manufactured. Of course, there are a model now which looks similar, which has come out, but it's not the same. And I love my Burfords. I've got 2 pairs. I've put hundreds, if not thousands of miles on these boots, and I want to keep them going. And if I can get another 7 or 10 years out of them, 10 years more likely now, because if I have a day-night sole, which wears more slowly, gives you more traction and sure-footedness in the winter, I'm more likely to get more value for money out of my refurbishment. So today, I'm going to box these up, and I'm going to slip them in the post office, and off they go. It'll be but a second for you, but I've got to wait 4 weeks before I let you know what the outcome has been. Gentlemen, welcome back. Just a moment for you, 5 weeks for me, so a little bit longer than Loake actually originally said. They said it would take about 4 weeks, but it's taken 5. Here's the shoebox. It was delivered yesterday, and in the box we have my boots. So here they are, my Burford boots, my delightful Burford boots that I was looking forward to receiving back. Oh, also in the box, I should say, they've sent an additional pair of shoe or boot laces. So they've obviously fitted a brand new set of laces to the boots themselves, and they've given me a spare set. So let us have a look. What has been the quality of the work undertaken? Well, I have to say, it's exactly what I was expecting. What they've done is they've gone ahead and fitted the day-night sole. It's not day-night, it's Loake's own version of it these days. They don't use day-night anymore, which is a brand within itself. But what they've done, they've fitted that sole. They've taken, as I said, they've stripped off everything below the welt line, and it's all brand new. So even inside the boot, I can see that it's got a brand new sock inside. So a new liner, totally new sole, totally new heel stack, and it's finished to perfection. In essence, this pair of boots now looks as if they've just rolled out of the factory, and in fact they're 7 years old and they've probably walked more than 1,000 miles on the pavement. And for the princely sum of £125, which I'll remind you included my shipping to the factory and back from the factory to my home address, I'm going to take that as a win. I think the actual finish on both boots, where the soles have been replaced, the heels have been replaced, new laces, new socks inside, it's superb. It is exactly as a new pair of boots would arrive if they had just come from the store. I just ordered them. They look absolutely spectacular. And I know now that these boots are going to be with me for another 7, 8, 9, 10 years on this pair of soles, in the sort of manner in which I wear them. So for me, I've achieved all my goals. I've kept a beautiful pair of my boots in my collection for a little longer. I'm doing my bit for sustainability and the green movement. I'm not throwing away something which is ostensibly worn out. I have given it a second life. I'm keeping a pair of boots which are no longer available in the collection, in the Loake collection, in my catalogue at home. So lots of boxes have been ticked, and let's be frank, what if I'd gone out with £125, what could I have purchased? Not a great deal at all. So actually, for the modest investment, I've got something much better as an outcome. So there we go. I hope you've enjoyed this video of my experience of the Loake factory refurbishment program. If you've got a nice pair of shoes or boots from one of the companies which carries out a refurbishment program, I think it's well worth putting a bit of money into the refurbishment when the time comes, because what you get is far more than you could get for your money if you took it to the shoe market on its own. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more. If you have a question for me, drop it in. Ask me. I'll do what I can to help you with that. If you want to come on the journey with me towards Chap Nirvana, you can become one of my patrons. The link to my patron pages is in the description box below this video. Become a patron and you get the extra videos which I make each and every week exclusively for my patrons, and you can have a personal dialogue with me as well if you want that. So until the next time we meet, when I'll probably be wearing these wonderful boots, take care, put your best foot forward, and I'll see you soon.